Hey Jay, it's pure joy to see you once more.
Veronica, my dear, how's life treating you?
Just getting by, like everyone else. Just came from a photo session, supposedly for my next song's cover.
Supposedly? Still wrestling with that writer's block? We're all craving more songs, more poetry from you.
Do you think I'm unaware? All you ever want is more songs, more songs. But you don't understand. Inside, there's just emptiness. No spark, no muse. Nothing at all.
Veronica, maybe you need something new. Ever heard of televisions?
Televisions?
Yeah, a gadget like a radio, but with pictures, like a tiny movie theater in your home.
Yeah, yes, I know. But, I've never seen one.
You know what? I have one, and I'm not even using it. I'll swing by your place and drop it off. It's bound to inspire you, you'll see. That television might just spark some ideas and help you break through that writer's block.
Well, all right. Thanks, Jay.
Veronica, cara vicina, come stai?
Evelyn, ciao, what a sorpreso. Io sto bene. Grazie. E tu come stai?
Annoiata, come sempre. Allora, quando esci con una nuova canzone?
Una nuova canzone. È che non so come dirlo in italiano. Ho un writer block.
Un blocco dello scrittore, eh? Non le viene nessuna idea? Che cosa le sta succedendo?
Non lo so, ma un amico mi presterà un televisore. Vediamo se con quello trovo l'ispirazione.
Un televisore? Mamma mia! La tecnologia ci distruggerà, Veronica. La tecnologia è la fine dell'umanità.
Hello?
Veronica, how are you? It's Thaddeus. What a stroke of luck to find you at home.
Thaddeus, how are you?
Could be better, Veronica. We're in need of a new song. The pressure's coming in from everywhere. It's been far too long since you've penned anything.
Yes, I know, but what can I say? No ideas are coming to me. I'm like uninspired.
Uninspired. Tonight, David Tudor is performing a new piece by John Cage. It's called 4 minutes 33 seconds. They're saying it's the kind of composition that'll get people talking. I've got 2 tickets. Why don't you come along? It might just stir up some ideas.
A new composition by John Cage. He's one of my absolute favorites. Of course I'm going. See you there.
Oh, my G. What is this? He didn't play a single note.
It's the most beautiful piece of music I've ever heard in my life.
Taking place at Eniwetok Atoll in the Marshall Islands, the Mike device unleashed an unprecedented explosive power equivalent to 10.4 megatons of TNT, far surpassing the atomic bombs dropped on Hiroshima and Nagasaki. This monumental event ushers in the thermonuclear age, redefining the landscape
television,
of global power and security.
It's all crooked.
Meanwhile,
Shouldn't
in
it be
Florida,
set straight,
a group of
horizontal
fishermen
like
made
it's
an
supposed to be?
unexpected catch earlier today when they reeled in a mysterious glowing fish.
Oh dear, no, did it just break? What, in color? What is this?
Infinite's the hottest platform around, and you know that. Yes.
Infinite?
But what you don't know is anything about my life. 'Cause you're not following me.
What?
Yeah.
Follow you?
Just a click. Follow me.
Oh my god, like what is this music?
Yeah, you've got this. Get up early, crank out 100 burpees, and buy my course right here on Infinite. I'll teach you how to sell courses.
The hit of the summer is none other than a song created by artificial intelligence. Let's give it a listen.
Oh gosh.
What in the name of all that's holy is this?
Hello?
Veronica, it's Jay. How are you?
Jay. My god, what is this television you left me?
What is the problem with the TV?
Don't know. Crazy shit on there.
Listen, I'll see you at the bar and you can tell me all about it.
Okay. See you.
Veronica, how's it going? What happened with the television?
Jay. Dear Lord, what did you bring me? That television, it's like something out of another world. I swear it nearly made my head explode. It's like, I don't know.
Veronica, it's just a television. Why? No need to make such a fuss.
Listen, at first everything seemed fine, though it was standing upright. The newsman was upside down. Then, out of nowhere, it sort of broke. And suddenly, bam, total chaos. It went from black and white to color, just like that.
Yes, you were supposed to set it horizontal. Yeah, but color? Impossible. It's black and white. The TV is black and white.
I swear it was in color, and the content, absolute madness. Strange people, like from another era, maybe the future. They were talking about something called infinite, about following them, and I don't know, artificial intelligence, weird music. It was unreal.
Oh, Veronica, quite curious, isn't it? Perhaps it'll stir up some inspiration and you'll find yourself writing a song after all.
Writing a song? I'm not so sure. It gave me this strange anxiety, like my heart was racing too fast, almost like panic. We will see.
Veronica, vicina, mi chiedevo com'è andata con il televisore.
La televisione? Una follia totale. Non lo so, Evelyn. Invece di ispirarmi, sembra che mi stia prosciugando. Ma non riesco a smettere di guardarla.
Eh sì, Veronica, e la tecnologia, più che ispirarci, finirà per annientarci. Ci rende, senza dubbio, persone peggiori.
Sì, può darsi. Non lo so.
L'importante è che mi annoio. Ti è venuta qualche idea per una nuova canzone?
Non lo so, Evelyn. La mia testa è un casino.
Ah, vaffanculo, Veronica.
A team of scientists claims to have trained a chimpanzee to use a typewriter. The chimp, named Charlie, has reportedly mastered typing simple sentences like, "I want banana," and "Charlie is smart." According to the
Oh no. Here we go again.
Influencing,
brandifying,
contentpreneur,
collaborism,
side hustling,
trend setting,
hustle mode,
vibe crafting,
self-branding,
growth hacking.
In my course, you will learn memeification, clickbaitism, datafication, disruptology,
Follow me. Follow me.
burpees, more burpees, and more burpees.
New song.
Follow me. Follow me.
Una nuova canzone?
Follow me now.
Artificial intelligence.
Television.
New song. Now.
And now we must announce the sad and heartbreaking news of the death of Veronica Blackwood, the world-renowned singer who captured hearts around the globe with her enchanting songs. Veronica passed away due to a sudden cardiac arrest. On the very day of her passing, she wrote one final song, a short and unusual piece, direct yet full of mystery, that leaves us with more questions than answers. Tragically, she never had the chance to record it. And I end up now well.
Thanks to artificial intelligence, we are now able to recreate the mysterious song Veronica Blackwood wrote many years ago, just before her passing. Surprisingly ahead of her time, she not only wrote a brief phrase as the lyrics, but also left behind what seems to be a prompt for its creation, a true visionary. The AI was trained on all of her songs and has been able to complete this unreleased piece. Using a photo of her from a photo shoot, we colorized it and created a video with the help of generative AI. Let's listen.
You